How to set up the Lenovo Legion Go S. Step-by-step guide. Steps: unbox, connect charger, power on. Choose language, region, connect Wi-Fi, sign into Microsoft account. Run Windows Update until fully current. Restart as prompted. Open Lenovo Vantage. Install BIOS, chipset, driver updates. In AMD software, Adrenaline, get latest GPU driver. Open Legion Space. Pick Performance Mode. Set TDP, fan profiles. Calibrate controllers and map buttons for desktop, game modes. Install stores, Steam, Xbox, EA. Download games. Set storage. Move game libraries to SD, SSD, as needed. Optional: enable Radeon anti-lag. FSR per game. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gaming, audio, and